Now we see about what is ESP32 in beginner level. ESP32 is just a microcontroller and used for many IoT applications. Okay, let's know about what is ESP32. ESP32 is a low cost and low power microcontroller because in market it's approximately come from 200 to 230 rupees only. It's used for many IoT automation and robotic smart devices applications. It have a coupled with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next, why we use a special for ESP32? It have a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and have a dual core processor. It support a many sensor and models. Key features have a dual core 240 MHz CPU. This have a 36 GPIO pins, analog to digital converter pin and digital to analog converter pin. Have a pulse width modulation pins and serial peripheral interface pins and intermission communication pins and used for many universal asynchronous receiver and transmitters. It is mainly used for I2S for audio because many ESP32 is used for many audio applications because of it. We use project like live audio streaming from one place to another place, get a data from anywhere. These are low power mode applications. This is a pin diagram of ESP32. ESP32 have a 36 general purpose input output pins. I have a MOSI is a master out slave in and MISO master in slave out. SDA serial data, SCL serial clock. These are used for input output pins. Have a power pin and ground pin. EN used for enable and GPIO 36 GPIO pins. Serial peripheral interface pin and I2Z communication. This communicate a one device to another device. Used for I2Z pins. It is used for analog to digital converter pins. It convert a analog signals into digital signals and have a digital to analog converter pins and used for touch. Many touch sensors are used for this GPIO pins and UART used for one device to another device communications. This control a pulse with modulations of other sensors. Its applications is mainly used for smart home automation, IoT projects and smart lights, robotics and mainly used for security systems and audio streaming and used for cloud monitoring also. How to get started ESP32? Now, first see the ESP32 board. Use a BTEC USB cables and Arduino IDE used for inject a code in ESP32. Install ESP32 board package in Arduino IDE. An example in another video we know about upload Bing program in Arduino ESP32.